Moto X40 just launched before few days. Fast refresh rate, all 4 sides curved display, Snapdragon 2nd generation flagship processor, IP68 water and dust resistance rating, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, super fast charging and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and in-depth review of the Moto X40, a performance flagship phone. Hey guys, Mikey from Tech Mikey. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So this is the Moto X40 black colored box. In this box you will get Moto X40 phone, a 125-watt power brick with Type-C output and a data cable. Let's talk about the design and build. As soon as I got started, the silky feel of this Moto X40 gave me a big surprise. The phone adopts a brand new 12-fold variation curvature body in the design. A total of 12 edges position of the front, back and aviation aluminum middle frame. Even rear camera module also has a curved surface. It is feel very silky when you hold in the hand due to this Velvet Edge 2.0 technology used in the back. This rear camera module also adopts a one-piece 4 curvature surface design. The back panel of the Moto X40 adopts the 7th generation Corning Gorilla Glass, which is matched with the aviation aluminum metal middle frame, processed by the curvature cutting process, which can ensure that it is very durable even in the harsh environment. We have to mention another big thing of the Moto X40. It supports the IP68 water and dust resistance rating. It can work normally for 30 minutes in an environment with an water depth of 1.5 meter. If you usually like the outdoor sports such as diving, surfing, you can carry it with you without fear of splashing. Even when you're underwater, users can quickly open various functions through the Moto gesture. The weight of the phone is around 199 grams and the thickness is 8.6 mm only. Let's talk about the placement. On the top we have got Dolby Atmos branding and the top firing speaker. On the right we have got power button and the volume rocker. On the bottom side, dual SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port and bottom firing speaker. Turning back to the front of the phone, the front of the Moto X40 uses a large 6.7-inch OLED screen which supports 120Hz frame rate adoption in the daily use scenario. And the global lock 165Hz mode can also be manually turned on. In some game screens, the Moto X40 can be fully fired to bring the 165Hz full-blood picture performance. Many users are now used of swiping their phones for a while before going to bed at night. The blue light and the flickering emitted by the ordinary mobile phone's screen will make it difficult for the user to fall asleep. But the Moto X40 has done a good job in this regard. The screen it uses has passed the double SGS low blue light filter eye protection certification, supports 100% full scale full scene DC dimming, anti-screen flicker and 10-bit color management. And the displays all 4 sides are curved so you can comfortably hold the phone. I believe that many users are interested in the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. This flagship chip is built with TSMC's 4nm process and adopt a new 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 architecture design. It has a 3.2 GHz Cortex X3 super large cores. Strong performance also needs to be a match with the extremely fast read and write transmission speed. The Moto X40 is also equipped with the LPDDR5 RAM plus UFS 4.0 storage, which together form a new generation of performance iron triangle. The Moto X40 scored a 1.2 million on AnTuTu, which is currently the top level in the industry. In the gaming, the first is King of Glory, which played a 120 frames. The test scene is a real combat test. After the final test, the average frame rate reaches 117.3 FPS. There are few lags in the large-scale team battles, but the overall experience is smooth. Let's have the hardcore Genshin Impact 30 minutes heavy load test. The average frame rate is around 60 FPS, and while this hardcore gaming, the feel is not hot because of the fully upgraded large circle 3-dimensional heat dissipation system 2.0. The Steam Track 2.0 has a BC heat dissipation area of up to 3000 square mm and the 11-layer stack graphite plus copper foil composite heat dissipation area, and the thermal conductivity is greatly improved. In terms of camera, the Moto X40 is equipped with the 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel 117-degree ultra wide plus macro, plus 12 megapixel portrait lens and a 60 megapixel selfie camera. Take a look at the sample photos. The Moto X40 has a built-in large 4600 mAh battery, supports 125 watt flash charging plus 15 watt wireless charging plus up to 15 watts wireless reverse charging. With the excellent energy efficient ratio of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip and the intelligent scheduling of the system, the machine can still be used continuously for one day under the heavy use without frequently charge. After the actual measurement, it only takes 7 minutes to charge the Moto X40 from 0 to 50% at the fastest, and it takes 23 minutes to fully charge. The Moto X40 is pre-installed with the newly upgraded MyUI 5.0 based on Android 13, which further optimizes the smoothness of the system control. Moto X40 price in China start from 3,399 yuan. If we converted in the UK pound is around 411 pound, and in the US dollar is around 497 US dollars. Overall, Moto X40 is a flagship model with the leading performance and comprehensive configuration. If you are performance party, this machine is very balanced choice. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, just comment below. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.